This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. All brick Cape COD in established neighborhood convenient to Naval Station Norfolk, shopping, dining, and easy access to I-64. Nice floor plan with 4 bedrooms/2 baths, 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on the main level, 2 bedrooms and 1 bath upstairs. Large living room with a gas fireplace, dining room, and family room. Kitchen has neutral cabinets, new granite countertops, and new stainless steel appliances. Private backyard with a deck, patio, and storage shed. Recent updates include new flooring throughout, fresh paint, new roof, and new windows, a fantastic opportunity to move right in and make this home your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.